To create a ceiling, make sure you have an open reflected ceiling plan view. You will find the ceiling tool in the Architecture tab. First step is to choose the correct type, then set the level and the height offset. Then you need to pick between automatic ceiling and sketch ceiling. Automatic ceilings are created with detected wall boundaries. Just click to complete the ceiling creation. Use the sketch ceiling tool for a custom shape. Draw purple boundary lines, then click the green check to complete. Use the Edit Boundary button to modify the ceiling shape. You can also use Revit to create ceiling tiles. Select the ceiling and choose the tiles type ceiling. To modify the grid's pattern, select one of the grid line and move it. The whole pattern will follow. For more precision, use the Align tool and lock the grid to the wall. The grid will always follow the wall when moved. To modify the ceiling tiles pattern, you have to edit the ceiling structure. Select another finish material. Pick a material with a different grid pattern dimensions. As you see, we now have square tiles.